Hello guys, welcome to succesfull. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a ring group on FreeCX V16. So without further ado, let's begin this tutorial. Alright, so first off, as you can see I'm in the dashboard, I'm going to go over to ring groups. I'm going to click on add ring group. I'm going to call this ring group 1 for testing purposes. You can call it whatever you like. We're going to set a virtual extension number. I'm going to keep it at the default of 8000 just for the purpose of this video. You can change it to what you like. Then we have a ring strategy. You can either do a prioritized hunt or you can do ring all. In my case, I'm just going to use ring all. Then you can set a ring time, so how long will the phones actually be ringing for. If a client were to go into that ring group, how many seconds will it actually ring for? So it's currently set to 20 seconds. We're going to set that to 60 seconds. And if there's no answer, then we can just send it to a voicemail box for an extension to 1000 in our case. We can then add our group members. And as you can see, we have all of our extensions that we created over the last few videos. For this group, we're going to have the apps. So we're going to have FreeCX app and then FreeCX app for Windows. I'm going to be on this ring group. And now I'm going to click on OK. And as you can see, we now have the ring group ready. So what I'm going to do now, just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show up one of the extensions. So if I were to bring up the FreeCX app for Windows, we should be connected to FreeCX Windows, as you can see. I've also got my phone here on standby. Now, you won't be showing the phone, but we will be showing the desk phone here. This is my smartphone, by the way. And just for testing purposes, I'm also going to bring up the client. Sorry, that's the wrong window. I'm just going to bring up the client with extension 2001. You can see all of our clients are now online, and I'm just going to ring the group 8000. As you can see, it says ring group 1. If I were to call it, I'm getting calls on both my phones. So if I were to answer from my phone, hello,
Hello.
1, 2, 3. Check. Test. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Oh god. The quality's gone down. Okay. So now we're just gonna try again. So 8000. Hello. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it works here as well, which is pretty good. Now, if I were to call the actual ring group on my own phone, so let's say, for instance, a phone that is already on the ring group itself, you can see that it still works, and it won't ring its own self, so that's good. Hello. So you can also do calls that are within the group, which is really cool. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. And that's it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If you'd like to request a video, please leave your comments in the comment section below, or you can check out our Discord server, Twitter and Instagram page, which are the links in the video description. Join us next week. We'll be looking at digital receptionists. And I'll be starting up our own IVR system. And then we'll actually plan it out and we'll see how it goes. But for now, thank you very much for watching.